What if you could do potentially dangerous but essential tasks absolutely risk-free? A group of Ford workers are flying drones around their factory to do just this. To carry out vital safety inspections of high-up or hard-to-reach places, Dagenham Engine Plant workers are using drones with cameras to safely and efficiently inspect machinery and roof areas.
We wanted to take the risk of these inspections away from the employee. By using a drone, we can do that.
Previously, staff had to climb scaffolds to check 40-meter-long overhead gantries. Now, maintenance staff can zoom in on each area with feet firmly on the ground. The whole production facility can be covered in a day by controlling drones equipped with GoPro cameras to thoroughly inspect each area, ensuring they're well maintained and comply to rigorous safety standards.